floral headpieces have been blowing up in 2021, more so silver floral headpieces, but with the emerging gold being added into the bridal trends in 2022, we have been creating gorgeous gold floral headpieces that actually captivate the heart, the imagination, the soul, and also sparkle so beautifully, making every woman look like a goddess when she walks down the aisle, sparkling and glowing in her divine essence. We are passionate about making women feel confident, cherished, and adored. And something like this could be of interest too if you love that beautiful feminine floral look. Check us out at My Soulmate Wedding on Etsy and we'll be thrilled to assist you.